Let's suppose that we're given this information right here, and this is double prime. Okay, so we're told that f double prime of x equals 5, f prime of 0 equals 2, and f of 0 equals 3. And what we want to do is we want to find f of x, given this bit of information right here. Well, here's what we need to do. We need to start with the highest derivative, which is f double prime. And we do this. We integrate it. So I know that f prime of x is going to equal the integral of this. See, I just integrate the f double prime, and I get 5x plus, let's call it c1. Now, what I know now, I have f prime of x. See, I'm going backwards. And what I want to do now is find the constant. Well, I was told that f prime of 0 is 2. So since f prime of 0 is equal to 2, I know that I can put a 2 here and a 0 in for x. And I get that c1 is equal to 2. Well, now that I've done that, I now have f prime of x is equal to 5x plus 2. Yeah, because that's c1. Now, I'm ready to go back another step. So I need to get f of x. And the way I'm going to do that is integrate f prime of x. Okay, so this is a pretty easy one to integrate. What we've got here is we've got 5x to the 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. Remember, this is just the power rule for integration. Plus the antiderivative of 2 is 2x, because the derivative of 2x is 2, and then we put a c on the end. I'll call this a c2. Okay, now here's what we have. We have f of x is equal to 5/2 x squared plus 2x plus c2. A lot of 2's running around in this problem. Now I go back and get this to figure out what my constant is. Well, this, you couldn't see it. I come back and get this to see what my constant is. Okay, so here's what we've got now. I put a 3 in place of the f of x, because that's f of 0, and then I've got 5/2 0 squared plus 2 times 0 plus c2, and that gives me c2 is equal to 3. There we have it. Now, dig this. We've got f of x is equal to 5/2 x squared plus 2x plus 3. There. So notice that we started with this bit of information, and we just opened up that can of integration, poured it all over, poured it on this one, and that led to this, right? And we were able to use this initial condition right here to figure out what the constant was.